You just spent 3 hours watching highly educational YouTube videos. You took screenshots, you even downloaded the free PDF guide and saved it to a special folder. You feel incredibly productive. You feel like you just leveled up your life. But if I asked you right now to explain what you actually learned, your mind goes completely blank. You can't recall a single actionable step. You aren't losing your memory. And you definitely aren't incapable of learning. Your brain is just trapped in a dopamine loop called the illusion of competence. Let's look at the neuroscience of why consuming content feels like doing actual work. When you watch an expert seamlessly explain a complex topic on screen, your brain mirrors their fluency. It tricks you into thinking you possess that knowledge. This is passive learning. It triggers a massive release of dopamine, the reward chemical. But true learning, the kind that rewires your brain through synaptic plasticity, requires cognitive friction. It requires the uncomfortable struggle of trying to remember. Without that struggle, your brain treats the information as temporary entertainment, not a permanent skill. You need to stop feeling guilty for falling into this trap. The entire internet is engineered to make passive consumption feel deeply rewarding. But if you are studying for a massive exam or trying to rebuild your career, you have to shift from being a passive consumer to an active synthesizer. Here is the 3-step science-backed protocol to break the illusion of competence. Number 1, the close the tab rule. The moment a video or article ends, do not immediately click on the next recommended piece of content. Close the tab, stare at a blank wall, and force yourself to summarize one single concept you just heard. This forces active recall and builds real neural pathways. Number 2, the Feynman switch. True comprehension only happens when you try to teach. Open a blank document and pretend you are explaining the concept to a 10-year-old. The moment you struggle to find the right words, you have found the gap in your knowledge. That friction, that is the exact moment actual neuroplasticity is happening in real time. Number 3, cap your inputs. Your brain has a strict cognitive load limit. Stop buying 5 different courses and downloading 20 different study guides. Pick one single source of information, consume it slowly, and spend twice as much time practicing the output as you did absorbing the input. Active learning is not as fun as passive watching. It is supposed to feel hard. But that discomfort is the biological signature of a brain that is growing. Stop collecting information. Start building knowledge. I'll see you in the next one.